Hi friends, good morning. It's Miss Brooklyn again. I wanted to hop on and do another circle time with you. So today is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. And today is a very special day. Today is a day that is called Earth Day. And on Earth Day is a day that we celebrate our Earth and how beautiful it is and how much we want to take care of it. And then we also talk about different ways that we can take care of it. So can you think of a way that you could take care of our Earth? So like planting trees is a way to take care of the Earth. Really any kind of plant. Picking up litter or trash that you find on the ground outside, because that eventually gets into our waters. And if we were all together today, I usually do an experiment where I take a clear jar and we put water in it, just regular water, and then we put trash in the water, and we see what the trash does to the water. And normally it turns brown after a couple days, and it makes the water really icky. And then we talk about, do the fish and other animals that live in the water want to live in the brown icky water? No. So we have to clean up our trash before it gets into the water system, before it gets into our lakes and our rivers, and it hurts those animals. So that's another way to take care of the earth. You could recycle. So there's many things that you can recycle. You can recycle glass, you can recycle plastic, aluminum, which are like pop cans. Yep. Yeah, there's a ton of different things that you can recycle. So there's all kinds of different ways to take care of our earth. And you know what? Today is going to be a beautiful day to get outside and maybe try to do some of those things. And just kind of get out and enjoy the air and enjoy our beautiful earth that we live on. So now, let's jump into our lesson. So, today we're learning about another bird. Last time we learned about the bluebird. And today we're going to learn about a bird that is quite important to where we live in the USA. So we're going to learn about eagles today. And eagles are actually our national bird. So, well, the bald eagle is. So, eagles, there's over 60 species of eagles that live on the earth right now. But only 2 of the species, so only 2 kinds of eagles live in the United States where we live. The rest live in places like Eurasia, Africa, Central and South America, and then there's 3 species that are found in Australia. So there's only 2 different kinds of eagles where we live. So the bald eagle, which is one of the species that lives here, was common in America 300 years ago. But after a while, it had been hunted and became almost extinct. So the bald eagle has been protected now since 1967, which is about 54 years ago. And it's slowly making a comeback. So that's good. So some fun facts. So eagles build their nests out of sticks, and their nests are huge. They build huge nests. They build their nest at the top of tall trees or even on cliffs sometimes. Bald eagles can be found in all 50 states except Hawaii. They don't live in Hawaii. And then they have a wingspan of over 6 feet. So if you take out, I don't have one with me, but if you would take out a measuring tape, you could measure out 6 feet and see it is pretty long. It'd be longer than Miss Brooklyn when she's standing up. So it's fairly long. Bald eagles are carnivores. So carnivores are meat eaters. So they eat fish and dead animals that they find. They also like to grab food away from other birds and animals. They really like to play also. So bald eagles sometimes they toss or pass sticks to each other in the air, like playing catch. Like if you were to play catch with mom and dad in the backyard and you're tossing a ball back and forth, they do that in the air sometimes with each other. So yeah. So eagles also have excellent vision. And they can swoop down and grab animals with either their claws or their mouth, which would be like fish, ducks, and turtles. And then today we are also working on the letter X. Can you guys draw a letter X with me in the air? So we're going to start up here, and we're going to go across and down, and then we're going to lift it up. We're going to go up here, and we're going to go across and down. And let's look at an uppercase and a lowercase X. So first we're going to draw an uppercase X, just like we did before. We're going to go across and down, okay? Now let's draw a lowercase X. Do you see any kind of difference between them? They look the same, but this one is just smaller. So this one is the lowercase, and this one is the uppercase. So the uppercase is bigger, and the lowercase one is smaller, but they look the exact same, and you write them the exact same. It's just the size that makes them different. So, and I'm going to teach you a little trick to remember what the X says. So you can make an X with your arms, like so. And if you hit them together, you can make the X sound. So you go, kss, 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 like fox and box and let's see, what else did they? Yeah, and then you have this X sheet to do. So today, I want you guys all to get outside and enjoy Earth Day and do something for our Earth and take care of it, or just enjoy the day and just be happy that you have a beautiful planet that you live on, and just make sure that you remind people to take care of it. And yes, so I will see you all again soon on video, and I hope you have a great Earth Day. Bye.